Ever wondered how you can split the cost of that dinner with friends, or easily pay your share of the rent without a hassle? Venmo is the answer, but if you're staring at the app wondering where to even start, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to set up your Venmo account so you can start sending and receiving money in no time. First things first, you'll need the Venmo app. You can find it on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded and opened the app, you'll be presented with a sign-up screen. You have a few options here. You can sign up with your email, your phone number, or even your Facebook account. For this tutorial, we'll use an email address. Go ahead and tap on Sign Up with Email. You'll then be asked to provide your full name, email address, and a strong password. Choose a password that is unique and not easily guessed. Once you've filled in these details, tap Next. Now, Venmo will ask you to verify your phone number. This is a crucial step for security. Enter your phone number and they'll send a verification code via text message. Type that code into the app and you're one step closer to being set up. After verifying your phone number, the app will prompt you to link a bank account or a debit card. While you can send and receive money from your Venmo balance, linking a funding source makes it super easy to add money or cash out your balance. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to securely link your preferred payment method. You'll need to enter your card details or your bank account information. Don't worry, Venmo uses encryption to keep your financial data safe. The last part of the setup is creating a unique username. This is what your friends will use to find you and send you money, so choose something easy to remember. A good tip is to just use your first and last name. And that's it. You're all set up and ready to Venmo. You can now start searching for friends, requesting money, or making payments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.